I wanted to do a quick review of this 8-in-1 styler because when I bought it, I just got it for the blow dryer brush and I was not expecting to love all the pieces this much. So I have really long and thick hair and I was looking for a dryer that could dry it fast, which is very hard to find. And this was amazing. It was really powerful and dried it very fast and the finish was smooth. There was no frizz at all. So after I used the blow dryer brush, I wanted to try out the rest of the pieces because I was so impressed. So it has a really easy lock switch to take off the pieces and put them back in. And so this part was a little scary because I've always been terrified these air curlers were just going to completely knot up my hair. And this was the moment I was shocked because it grabbed the hair so easily and the airflow is hot and strong and the curls came out perfect. And keep in mind, this is exactly like those luxury tools that cost nearly $1,000, and this is a fraction of the price. And I forgot to mention this earlier, but I love that it has the 3 heat settings, which is on the base of the tool, so it works for all of the attachments. Okay, now that I curled my hair, I wanted to see if I could undo it all with the straightening piece. So I was amazed. Look how easily this straightened out those curls I literally just put in. It didn't pull, it didn't tug, it blew it straight, absolutely perfect, and so easy. I am still genuinely shocked that I was just looking for a blow dryer and I got this entire set for less than the price of the blow dryer I was going to buy. It even comes with this case, which is perfect for travel. I highly recommend this.
Okay, so I already curled my hair, but I wanted to give you a quick demonstration of this styler. So I'm just going to take a really small piece just so you can see how it works, and then turn it on. Ta-da! There it is.
You got it?
Yep.
This seems to work better with smaller pieces.
Yeah. Smaller pieces and better chunks.